going on, YouTubers, loyal subscribers, World Wide Web? What's going on, guys? It's your boy, Marlon Bennett. I am the original student of the game of internet marketing, guys, and today we're going to talk about the official launch of my big banner ads marketing strategy. Now, over time, there are going to be a lot of people Googling the big banner ads marketing strategy, and I'm right in the middle of the official launch, guys, and I am so super pumped up and excited about it. But before I get into talking about the big banner ads marketing strategy and why anybody who's looking to generate traffic and leads Monday through Sunday, even on the holidays, even while you're sleeping, and there I go with the typos, guys. Don't trip on the typos, okay? Concentrate on the message. For just pennies on the dollar, by the way, let me tell you guys a little story. A lot of people say banner advertising is dead, right? I hear a lot of people saying that. But guess what, guys? If that's true, then I see dead people. What do I mean, guys? I see dead people. Okay, let me tell you what guys, what I mean by that. Monday through Sunday, even while I'm sleeping, even on the holidays, is for just pennies on the dollar. If banner advertising is dead, then I'm seeing a lot of dead people, guys. And guess what? What's really scary is the fact that they're opting into my lead capture pages to the tune of over 1,000 subscribers at the time of this video. Naturally, I purged my list. Some guys, I've done some testing, I've done some tweaking, and the big banner ads marketing strategy is here to stay, right? So guys, let me show you where we're at during this official launch. A lot of great stuff going on in the middle of the launch. I'm in the middle of a lot of different stuff, guys, but I'm really super pumped up and excited about this because at the core of affiliate marketing, making money, working from home, whether it's your MLM, network marketing, or any type of personal products and services that you want to market and promote, at the core of that is traffic. And of course, you guys are reading the caption of it, and I said, what we're talking about is a man who stops paying for advertising to save money is like a man who stops a clock to save time. And up until now, guys, or from the time I started testing the traffic using banner advertising, I believed that banner advertising was dead as well. Because early on in my internet marketing career, I tried it. But I didn't try it the way I've tweaked and scaled and grown and damn near perfected, right, inside of this strategy. Excuse my language. And so it's how you do it. It's the strategy. The strategy being the key word here, right? So anyway, guys, if you guys have been on YouTube, you guys see me shooting a couple of promo videos because I'm going to actually, it's going to get better than this, okay? And if you are an affiliate marketer, if you're brand new and you're online and you're looking for traffic and you want to generate traffic and leads every single day, Monday through Sunday, even on the holidays, even while you sleep, for just pennies on the dollar, this is why you want to be locked into my big banner ads marketing strategy. We're here to stay, guys. We're not going anywhere. But let me tell you some of the benefits of using my big banner ads marketing strategy, and it's only going to get better. Okay, first of all, guys, let's talk about it, right? And what you're going to receive when you pick up the big banner ads marketing strategy. What you're going to pick up, guys, is you're going to get over a dozen free eye-popping banners. I'm adding those banners all the time. These banners are actually designed to get your prospects clicking on your banners and redirecting to your lead capture page, right? Number two, guys, you can use this strategy to run multiple campaigns. You can start for as little as $5 or $10, and there's geographic targeting for anywhere in the world to include USA only. Number three, guys, you can pause this traffic. You can stop this traffic. You can change out your links and your URLs and your capture pages. This is absolutely perfect for testing, tweaking, and scaling. Guys, check this out. You can manually change your ad spend. So let's just suppose you go in and you do a $20 ad spend across a campaign that you set up inside the strategy. Well, you can then go inside and make your daily ad spend whatever you want that to be. It could be $1 a day. It could be $2 a day. It could be $3 a day, or whatever you desire, guys. And that's where scaling this traffic comes in. Guys, you're going to find even more discounted specials inside the strategy, right? And the traffic's already super affordable, but you're going to be able to find discounts that's going to randomly pop up. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to have all types of over-the-shoulder video tutorials to walk you through the process of setting all this up in less than 10 minutes. You can run as many ads, have as many campaigns, marketing strategies, setting up different automated marketing systems, going out and working for you on total automation. This is going to make business easier for you guys, okay? We talk about structure. We talk about standard operational procedure. When you get inside of this strategy, guys, I have a basic, let's go do this by the numbers blueprint you guys can follow. You get traffic every single day. What am I charging? $7.99. That price is going to go up because I continue to add all types of real-time value, evergreen techniques, tactics, strategies, tools, and resources that you can use to grow any business that you want. But let's talk about some of the bonuses, guys, because this is what I've been working so diligently on. Okay, so I've gone back over time inside of my 1 million ways to market, right? And I pulled out all of the best value that I could find, right? And one of them includes, in these bonuses, the free video downloader. Now, you might not be a YouTuber, but it doesn't matter, because you can take this video downloader, and as a matter of fact, you guys are going to see a couple of videos that I've actually done. They're going up in the next few days. And whenever I want to download a video from somewhere, I can use this video downloader to download videos and upload them on my Facebook group, my Facebook fan page, which I haven't used in a while, my YouTube channel. It's incredible piece of software, and it's absolutely free. It's just included, guys. This is not for sale. This is a bonus coming into the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy. Guys, you're going to get those 100 Facebook groups too. These are not just any Facebook groups. You can actually join these groups, start developing some relationships with these groups, and guess what, guys? They allow advertising, video advertising. What? Yeah, the video downloader. Okay, put your thinking caps on, guys. Anyway, those Facebook groups are going to be ideal when it comes to structure. Pop in here every day, run a Facebook ad, you're good to go. Guys, I got a starter login ad Rolodex inside of here. Now, you guys have seen me putting videos up on the starter login ads. I've been doing them forever. Well, now, guys, I put them all in one Rolodex. Okay, we're going to walk you through how to set them up. Once you know how to set one starter login ad up, you can set any of them up, and you can do it in less than 5 or 10 minutes using the starter login ad Rolodex. Okay, so you guys are going to get that as well. Now, guys, you also got, I don't know how many of you guys are familiar with Brian Winters, but I got the 60-second Facebook post traffic. That's going to be inside your members area. You guys are also going to actually get to stand over Wayne Crow's shoulder, guys, and learn all about solo ads, the truth about solo ads, so to speak. I'm going to show you guys how to start using solo ads and traffic and get paid on solo ads, using solo ads. Well, you'll find out once you're inside the members area. Okay, guys, I got all kinds of unannounced bonuses that you're going to find once you're inside the members area. Everything that you need, guys, and more, and then some, in my mind, over $1,000 worth of techniques, tactics, strategies, tools, resources that you can use to go out and do what? Start getting traffic every single day. That traffic will translate into leads. Those leads, we're building our list, guys, will translate into dollars in your pocket. It's all about the list building lifestyle. I'm super pumped up. I'm super excited about it. Guys, it's a lot of great stuff coming up. If you guys are on my YouTube channel, we're going to be moving into some really, really cool stuff. And this is why I wanted to get the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy out of the way. Because once you have this, you can use this to market and promote anything. Anything. And remember, we got that geo-targeting in there, guys, all right? You could actually pick the countries you want to market and advertise to include USA only. Now, we'll tell you the USA only traffic is a little harder to get. It takes a little longer, but you have that geo-targeting inside. Okay, guys? So look, I don't care who you are. I don't care where you are. I don't care what it is you're marketing and promoting. If you really want to expedite the process, right? Streamline the list building process, guys, then you need to lock in a spot inside the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy, because everything you need to wage a successful email list building campaign is going to be inside. I appreciate you guys so very, very much. I imagine within the next 2 weeks, it will be officially launched. I will actually start running ads all across the World Wide Web, guys, and marketing this. And I'm going to invite all of you guys to get a piece of the action. And remember, guys, I'm taking testimonials because this sales page is going to change over time. This price is going to go up. It's not going to go up a whole lot, but it's going to go up, and it's worth every single penny. And let me tell you this. If I use your testimonial on my new sales page, right, I will run 30 days worth of Big Banner Ads marketing strategy traffic to your desired capture page. And please believe, when I do that, when you start using the strategy, you're going to start to see the leads start to come in every single day, Monday through Sunday, even on holidays, even while you're sleeping. Again, get super pumped up. Thanks so very much, guys, for all the support I've got from all the people. Guys, let's make some things happen. Keep your eyes locked on some premieres I got coming up on YouTube, guys. I got some updates coming up on some other things. I appreciate you guys sitting in. I will see you guys on the next video, or either inside my Big Banner Ads marketing strategy members area. Remember, you just cap at me at, well, I'll leave my cap app address on this page and in the YouTube video description area for however you guys are finding it. And that's $7.99 one time for a lifetime of traffic. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.